Hello YouTube guys. So we're having to clean your Nintendo Switch, your cleaning dust. So right now let me show you how things it happens. First you need to do this VR. Your headset, so we will attach the VR. So I will attach the VR. Then should be like this. So it's really good things, right? So let me show you how does it work. It's yeah. So this is Nintendo Switch. So actually you can dismantle it or tear down, you can disassemble, but it's only occasional while cleaning the systems. This is a general cleaning, so you cannot dismantle it, or you cannot disassemble, or you cannot tear down. So all you need to do have this one, a blower. So actually you can clean your fan, this one, the heat sink. This is a heat sink over the heat pipes in the fan. So this is the inner air exhaust the fan here outside. So actually we have look at this, there's a dust over there and another dust over here. So let's find out who it can be turned. So if you have a blower, so you can do this, you insert the small one into in the Nintendo Switch. So you have to clean your dust perfectly, so you have to press it. Alright, so let's go. So first things first, you have to safety this one, all the this. So you have Nintendo Switch, so you have to clean this up, and you have lower and okay. So already cleaned. And this one, this heatsink, it's very dust, maybe it's dust in here. Okay, let's see. It's really dust. It's perfectly clean, so it worked. So the fan won't noise because no more noise here, the fan won't noise here, and no bearing sounds in the background. So no dust in here, the air. So it's perfectly clean. Yes, it's okay. That's it. So and here. So hello guys, thank you for watching in YouTube and subscribe, and if you like it or dislike this channel, just leave your comment and description link at the below. So if you get another channel at the right corner, so it and that's it. Thank you and